Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope every one of you are doing well. So I have got a little upgrade for myself, and this is what I went for: the DJI Pocket 4 on the occasion of crossing 200 subscribers and turning 30 in few days. So this video we'll do the unboxing of Pocket 4 and see what's inside.
So since I bought the creator bundle, you get a few extra items compared to the standard package. In total, there are 15 items inside. So let's take them out one by one. First, you get two bags, a carrying bag where all the accessories can fit, and a small portable carrying pouch as an extra. First, of course, we have the star of the show, the DJI Pocket 4 itself. And this thing is genuinely tiny, weighing just 190 grams. Before using it, there are a few protective stickers that need to be removed. And one more thing, don't forget to remove the gimbal clamp before turning it on. I actually tried switching it on with the clamp still attached. Then you have the tripod handle, which attaches directly to the bottom of the Pocket 4 and gives you a more comfortable grip while filming. It also lets you connect the camera to a tripod when you want to record yourself hands-free. And then you have the mini tripod itself. It's small and lightweight, but really useful when you want to place the Pocket 4 on a table or record yourself without holding the camera. So then you have the mic. So with this pack there was the DJI Mic 3 which was included with it, and I find it very useful because I faced a lot of problems during my old videos to record a good proper audio while outside, and I tested it out yesterday and the sound quality was much better. Also for this video I am recording the audio via the mic, and I feel there's a huge difference between what I recorded with my phone and with this mic. And also it comes with two windshields, so you have one proper black and one black gray. So both, I don't know what's the difference between the two, but both have the same function and it works. And the last accessory for the mic you have is the magnetic charging cable. It's for charging the mic and also for the data transfer. And then you have the fill light. So this you can attach it at the back of your camera, and it's pretty handy when you're recording yourself during the night time. And also you can change the intensity of the light. So there are three different level of intensity and there are three different type of colors. And then you have the wide angle lens. So this is attached at the front of the camera, and I haven't tested out this yet, but hopefully I will do in my next adventure. And now basically I'm trying to connect the Pocket 4 to my mobile device, and I finally figured out how to remove the lock from the gimbal. Yeah, it was a tough if you're a beginner and it's your first time using this Pocket device. And then when you turn on the screen, you select your language and they give you a QR code just to download the app, which is called DJI Mimo. And basically you have to register yourself or sign in via your ID, and then both the devices get synced and you can preview all the images, videos on your mobile devices, as well as remote control the outside to compare the camera quality between both the devices, my mobile and Pocket 4, to check the quality difference.